Pasko sa ating hahanap-hanapin mo.
Walang katulad dito ang Pasko.
Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana,
at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko kayo'y naririto. Kahit pangalaman.
Ayun guys, takits dyan sa may Antipolo. Bale, papunta na po kami dyan. Sama namin pamilya, baby. Takits guys.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So, Billy, okay. Pag-uwi natin mamaya na si Boss Arem. Tinatawagan po si Boss Stanley para bumunot ng bagong bunot natin. Sabon!
Kumabunot ko ang mga katalunan dito ha.
Ay, ito na lang.
Buto-buto!
Si Stanley na lang magdidesisyon kung anong gusto niyang ipapa.
Okay, pumili muna si Boss Stanley na ipapamigay niya. Siyempre, para sa unang bubulutin.
Grabe yun agad. Pag-uwi niya agad. Pinag-desisyon niyo ako, tapos kayo rin ang pinisay.
Ang gulo na.
Hindi, Stanley nga.
Okay, so hindi ko alam kung paano yung papasok yung sa kamay. Okay. Ayan. Sige. Okay, para sa leg back, ang unang bubulutin ng unang bubulot ay si Stanley. Ito na! Sponsor by Ana!
Parang ako yun. Parang ako yun Picture. Wala bang picture o?
May picture yung sarili yung photographer.
Message. Maraming salamat sa ating donate itong sponsor ni Madam. Masaya tayo ngayon. Marami tayo ngayon. Masaya.
Alright, next!
Ay, ako na. Ako bubunot. Ako.
Okay, ang susunod na bubunot ay si Boss Daryl.
Dahil ako yung
Sa pipila. Pipila.
Helmet na. Okay.
CBB Clinic! Sponsored by Sir Ray Deoda! Patawarin,
Grabe siya. Okay.
Number?
Ang numero plus 2.
Plus 2 daw!
Ang number ko.
Number 4!
Akin na yung number.
Tinatawagin natin si number 4. Ang unang kumita!
Picture.
Thank you.
Dahil dito sa dala nyo, ang CBT ko ay clean.
Oh yeah!
Ang CBT ko ay clean.
Yes!
Thank you.
Ikaw ang bubulot kayo.
Giling. Kahit ano.
Yung mga naka-stock ka lang na
Paano pagka hindi na-stock? Uli niya.
stock nila.
Problema dyan, pag kinita mo yung isang mute, kung ano makikita mo.
Dum. Happy birthday, Yer.
Uy! 7?
Yung number 18. Number 18.
Walang pangalan!
Walang pangalan! Amen!
Thank you kay Boss Alton din. Salamat sa inyo guys.
Isang piraso na po pala yan. Isang pamilya po.
Sino si Dose? Ano yung pamamigay mo? Ano yung pamamigay mo na?
Premyo para premyo!
Gusto niyo pamigay rin.
Ampaw.
Ampaw!
Ito sa akin.
Ayun!
Ikaw pa! Oh, bago! Malutong!
Wait lang pala, nalagay ko muna para sa ampaw.
Bubulong muna tayo ng ipapapremyo bago natin ibigay. Yung sa Imperial daw, kalahati daw muna.
They see a bright moon shining small. They hear a choir sing.
Ngayon po, pili ka muna dun sa ano. Pwede ba helmet na?
Wow! Pwede naman! Parang pang pinali daw yan eh, pang pinali. Wow!
Sponsored by?
Please! Sponsored by anak!
Sana kasi makakuha sila.
Tama, may lumabas
Pwede na naman. Pagkita sila.
Okay, ano?
Okay! Ano? Yan. Number.
Forever.
Ayan. May pang-change oil.
Kahit ano dyan.
Kahit ano dyan.
Kung anong gusto mo ipa-premium. Kahit ano po.
Kahit ano dyan, mamili ka. Ah, CBT! CBT!
My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party or dinner for two, anywhere celebrating the Yuletide season always lights up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they're shared with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air. By the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can't think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air. By the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can't think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas, spending it with you.
Malupit. Oh, ano?
Ito, kasali ba ito?
Hindi yan. Yan, tao yan. Oh, yan, dyan. Ilaw. Ostrom. Okay.
Ang nanalo.
Hello.
Ang pinalad. Numero?
Ang mapalad.
14. Sino ang 14? Enrique Hill. Woo! Pasok.
Pre,
ulit.
Pwede na. Oh, yun no. Kailangan na. Ayos.
Picture kayo dalawa, Ben.
Dito. Sa ating mga beauties. Ako ka umalis. Pili ka muna. Pili.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow. Nations are at peace and all are one in God.
Merry Christmas, a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas always in our hearts.
Okay. Ano yan? Numero?
Every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Love like that starlight on the first Christmas morn, lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice. Come and sing a Christmas carol with one big joyful voice. Proclaim the name of the Lord. It's a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Lahat ng mga Pili ka muna po.
Pili po.
Pili ako?
Yes, malupit.
Ito.
Ayan.
Ito to.
Ayan.
Parang
For your daddy.
Mahilig magkape. Mahilig magkape.
Number 15.
Number 15. Wilcon? May Wilcon ba tayo dito?
Sino yun?
Wilkins? Ano ba?
Ayun.
Wilkins?
Oo. Sino yun, Wilkins?
Kapag nila Wilcon, tapos meron.
Ayun, Wilkins. Ayun. Wilkins. Ikaw ba yun?
Picture muna. Galing pa kayo ng toys yan. Newbie?
Magpakilala ko muna anak. Pakilala ko muna.
Kilala muna sa lahat. Oh yes!
Welcome.
Okay, ngayon po, pili ka naman din po.
Pili ka na nga na
Pa-premium. Ayun, pwede. Pwede yan. Pagbigyan yung ano, newbies. Pagbigyan yung newbies.
Dahil newbies siya, ang pinili niya is 7. Swerte naman ito.
Swerte naman yung mga natitirang numero.
Pwede number natin.
Numero. Ano?
Uy!
Listen, 9!
Hanso!
Oy, Hanso!
Hanso! Picture mo na to! Picture mo na! Ayaw magpalito! Ay! Ayaw mo pa ha? Ayaw na magpalit ka!
Yun o! Uy, teka lang, isa lang! Bunot ulit. Oh, mamo, tanto. Number?
Actually, first time ko pumunta ako sumali sa ganitong activities. Pagka dito ako sa nights, sponsor ng TBS, kaya hindi ako nag-discount na dahil ayoko mag-commit baka lang mapunta. Eh, naramdaman ko may helmet. Sa mga bago kong gamit na helmet, kasi tayo sana, hindi na tayo next year. Kasi sa mga rides. Thank you sa sponsor. Sino po ba yung sponsor nito? Sir.
RM!
You know?
Pangalan sir?
RM.
RM?
Yes.
RM. Maraming salamat boss.
Ito na, mga ano na. Malalaban na. Laba-laba na.
Para may magawa yung mga obyar, sumayong isa, kayo magpagulit dito. Obyar! Si ma'am!
Galit.
Apat na pagkong tatlong sakong bigas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago. Ikalimang araw ng mas mo binigay sa akin ng nobya ko, ibang pulang logo. Apat na pagkong tatlong sakong bigas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago.
Meron pa ba?
Sopa, ibang pulang logo. Apat na pagpuntak mo sa piligas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago. Ikaw ang araw ng mas mo binigay sa akin ng nobya ko. Yung lechong bago, pitong berdeng unan, anim na sopa, ibang pulang logo. Apat na pagpuntak mo sa piligas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago. Binigay sa akin ng nobya ko, siyang na case ng beer, walong lechong baboy, itong berdeng uva, anim na sopa, ibang pulang logo, pabobang. Apat na pagpuntak ng sakong bigas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago. Sampung araw ng Pasko, binigay sa akin ng nobya ko, sampung inaanak, siyang na case ng beer, walong lechong baboy, itong berdeng uva, anim na sopa, ibang pulang logo. Yes. Apat na pagpuntak ng sakong bigas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago. Ikalabing isang araw ng Pasko, binigay sa akin ng nobya ko, naging isang tula sa
Numero!
siyang na case ng beer, walong lechong baboy, pitong berdeng unan, anim na sopa, ibang pulang logo. Apat na pagpuntak ng sakong bigas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago. Ikalabing dalawang araw ng Pasko, binigay sa akin ng nobya ko, labing dalawang parol, labing isang tuta, siyang na case ng beer, walong lechong baboy, pitong berdeng unan, anim na sopa, ibang pulang logo. Ay, apat na lang. Apat na pagpuntak ng sakong bigas, dalawang payo at isang basketball na bago. May pirma pa ni Chungo.
Enrique Hill!
Enrique, 18.
18!
Tara na!
Patiin mo na, patiin!
18.
Numero!
14. Hindi naman eh.
Number 10.
Ronald.
Ronald.
Number 10, Ronald.
Stella Rosa.
Ronald Sato.
Oh, picture. Teka. Yan. Ano? Oh, yan, picture. Dito.
Binigay mo na ba yung premium niya?
CBT.
Ay, yung premium.
Nakalimot na. Bunot. CBT ulit. Paubusin ng CBT. Ay, kailangan mo.
13.
Prasa eh.
Joey.
Joey.
Joey, number 13. Tinatawagan.
Joey.
Maraming salamat sa mga sponsor natin.
Sponsor.
Sana huwag kayo magsawa ang mga sponsor ha. Okay yung sponsor lahat, pwede mag-sponsor.
Cuatro patos.
Kobe Bryant, number 8.
Number 8. AJ. AJ. Picture ko kayo.
Bunot. Oh, tatlo na lang, tatlo.
No, number 5. Mark Chris. Ano?
Mark Chris.
Mark Chris.
Mark Chris. Mark Chris.
Number 5.
Yo.
Ang galing naman ng Ubis na to. Diyan po.
Dito.
For the time of Christmas is here.
Thank you.
Wait lang, panggitin mo number 1.
Kailangan namin nilagyan dyan. No, number.
And enjoy the beauty. All the joy.
Doble yung ulo eh.
Let a Merry Christmas.
Sir Ray. Nandito naman si Sir Ray eh. Sir Ray, number 11 po.
Alam na.
Ako number 1 na talaga.
Ito na lang po, pwede. Hindi, okay na yun, yan na po eh. Yan! Sa'yo na yun.
Oh, sa'yo. Oh. Oh, isa.
Ito na lang. Sa akin si activity theater.
Oh, ano na? Sige. Box.
talaga tayo uwiluhan. Number 15, siya tawagan ko. Kaibigan, Wilkes, baguhan din. 15 din ha?
Welcome! Wow!
Ano na kayo konting background? Ano siya? Nakakontext na rin kung may wifi yung taon na. Wilkes. Tapos kung natin niya, sige ba gusto mo kontak niya?
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. In my face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim.
To last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm
masaya talaga. Okay. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Napakasaya, napakasaya.
Hello!
Oh,
Sir RM, meron kang i-announce?
yung bill?
Yung bill natin.
Yung bill, yung
Boss,
bill.
RM.
Yun yung medyo.
Ayan na po si Sir RM po. Ayan po. Saan natin punta?
Bayaran na.
Ano?
Huwag ka iyak.
Hindi na ako nagbuha sa pangalawang na medyo So guys, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutulong sa salamat din sa lahat ng sponsor.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta, pagdalo sa ating year-end drive